Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to go on a little bit of a road trip, a little bit of an adventure. We're going to a place called Woodford. We're going to meet up with someone and I'm going to buy a shift knob. It's a discontinued shift knob, so they're pretty rare at the moment, and thought I'd pick it up because I really like it. So we have about 40 minutes till we have to leave, so let's have some breakfast. I already showed you. This is why I love where I live. Look at that. Man. Bud.
Destination. 30 minutes.
It literally says go straight for 26 kilometers. Oh, we found a couple of Subi bros. Yeah, boy.
I need a sign or a signal. I've overthought everything I can think of. Innocently the cold in your jacket and the remnants of your cigarette packet. Nobody knows it better than my girl in the corner with the scar.
Well, we just went over that massive range back there, and I think we're nearly at Woodford. Oh, we're about 8 k's away. So we're nearly there, nearly. Alright, we've made it to Woodford, so now we just need to find him. Oh yeah, alright, so we found the guy, and pick this bad boy up. Alright, let's open it up. We got the likewise shift knob. It's the Neil Diamond in the special cherry red, which they do not make anymore. It's heavy. It's pretty heavy. It's going to be a lot better than this light piece of shit we got here. So, imagine that there. Awesome. So we've just decided to go back home because, well, there's nothing in this town. So we're just gonna enjoy the road and go back home, and we'll install the shift knob. So let's go. Okay, so fast forward a couple of days later, I've had to order some adapter threads from Likewise themselves, just so that the shift knob can fit onto the original thread of the shifter. Now these come in a few different sizes depending on what type of car you have. For mine and a lot of Subarus, I think it's the M12 by 1.25 millimeters. It just slides onto your thread, just screw it up, and then we should be able to put the other shift knob on. So let's go do that. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is screw off the original shift knob. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we just have the open thread. Time to put the adapters on. So we just screw this one all the way on till it's nice and tight, not too tight. Then the second one should be the stopper about there. Right now we just grab the shift knob itself and we'll slide that on. I pretty much got nice and centered now so the logo lines up, and now we can just pop the leather boot back around it and we're pretty much good to go. So there we have it. We got the Likewise shift knob. It's a Neil Diamond in cherry red. It is currently discontinued. They do not make this color anymore. However, they still make the Neil Diamond in other mad colors like black and blue and gold. That's all for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the little vlog and the install at the end there. And I'll catch you guys next time.